Hey, it's Kristen, and today I am going to show you how I'm going to be getting my bikini summer body. And I'm not going to be talking about weight loss or diets, and I'm not going to really talk much about exercise either. And also, I'm not just going to take my body, take it to the beach, and say, there you go, now you have a bikini body, because that's like not funny anymore. But there is a certain routine that I always wanted to try out to prepare my body for the summer, for the dry heat, for the tan, and I never really got to it. So I wanted to try it this year, and I want to do it in an ethical, eco-friendly way as well, with natural products and that kind of thing. So as you can see from what I'm wearing, which I'm basically almost half naked right now, it is getting really hot here in Athens, so bikini season is coming, summer season is coming, and I am super excited because right now I live next to the beach and I can go to the beach whenever I want. So this here is my chance to do my pre-bikini body routine. Okay, and you're all wondering what it is. So basically, you know what? I'm gonna take you with me. I'm gonna show you what it is. Come on. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dry brush my entire body with a natural loofah. And this is the first step of my exfoliating routine. There's a second step because I literally just wanna get rid of my entire epidermis so that my tan isn't patchy at all. I don't know if exfoliating twice is the right thing to do, but I really want to do it, so it's my routine. It's my summer bikini body routine, and I'm gonna do whatever I want with it. After I'm finished dry brushing with a natural loofah, I go to the second step of exfoliating my skin, which is using a salt and coconut oil and a little bit of extra virgin grape olive oil from my grandma's olive trees to exfoliate once again. I don't think this is gonna do a really good job if you use fine salt. You need the kind of coarse texture to really get rid of all the dead skin cells all over your skin. And the coconut oil and the extra virgin olive oil is just there to kind of condition your skin and soften it a little bit. You can also use essential oils in there if you want a little bit of extra scent, but I'm okay with just the unscented version. Next up is shaving my entire body. All of it. Even my head. I'm gonna pull a Britney today because I got a zero waste razor. I finally found one, and it's not like 100% made of metal. I couldn't find one that was 100% made of metal in any supermarkets and any stores that I looked for. But because this razor is just plain, only with the blades, it doesn't come with a moisturizer, so I need to cover my body with a lot of soap so that the razor is gonna glide over my skin and not rip it off, basically. And the soap that I'm using is from iHerb. I can't remember the name, but I'm just gonna link it in the description box. So of course, when it comes to shaving, this is just my personal preference. If you don't want to shave, girl, you don't have to shave for anyone. I think that shaving is obviously completely optional. You should have the right to keep your body as natural as you want without anyone judging you. I do personally prefer to be shaven everywhere. I think that shaving our bodies everywhere is great for the prevention of crabs, which I have thankfully never had that because I shave my entire body, but I have known people that know people that have had crabs, and I don't want to make fun of them, okay? But if you shaved, you would not have gotten crabs, just saying. So after I'm done with shaving my body, I move on to moisturizing. And the moisturizer that I use is my Lani Coconut Body Moisturizer, and it leaves my skin very shiny, glowy, soft, and I just love this coconut oil so much. And if you are looking to tone up a bit, a workout that I'd highly recommend is just picking up trash at the beach. And I'm not even joking. Here in Athens, there's so much trash in the beaches that if you squat every time that you pick up a piece of plastic, then you'll seriously have buns of steel in no time. I went to the beach with my friends and we had, in about 20 minutes, we picked up like more than 100 pieces of plastic. That equals to about 100 squats that you could easily do without even noticing at the beach. And you get to clean up the beach, be more eco-friendly, and tone your booty at the same time. And that's basically the routine. If you're not going to a nudist beach, then throw on an ethically made, sustainable bikini. Mine is from Under Protection and I love it. And you can also find handmade swimwear on Etsy. You can thrift swimwear, but just don't support fast fashion bikinis because they break down after a few wears. You risk exposing yourself at the beach, and you're also supporting companies that exploit women in underdeveloped countries and have them working in inhumane conditions and destroy the planet. So don't buy fast fashion bikinis because they are not worth your money. So I think this was a very inclusive and body positive, body acceptance kind of summer bikini body routine. And I wanted it to be like that because I feel like we're all included in this. We should all be feeling comfortable when we're going to the beach. I have definitely myself had my moments and years of feeling very insecure about my body, and now I'm just all about embracing what I got and taking care of what I got, which is the most important thing. And just I feel like the best way to love yourself is by taking care of yourself, and this is a beautiful self-care summer body bikini body routine or whatever. And I hope you liked it, and let me know in the comments, like, how does this whole summer bikini body kind of season make you feel? And do you feel like a certain pressure to have to do certain things, to look a certain way because it's bikini season? And I think that we can have a very interesting discussion about this and body image and just beauty standards in general in the comment section. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, it helps a lot. And if you want, you can hit the bell notification button to get updated every time I post a new video so you don't miss out. And I also have a vlog channel that I'm posting a lot lately, so yeah, make sure to check that out. I have the link in the description box, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week.